There is a misconception that stock market is gambling. Well, yes, stock market is gambling if. Hi everyone, this is Arun, co-founder, senior financial trainer at Finspell. Well, yes, stock market is gambling if you're not properly educated. There are a lot of educational institutions who fail to provide you some aspects about stock market, which was very important. What is it? Support and assistance. We at Finspell provide you a lifetime support and assistance which enable each and every students of our community to be a pro trader. Well, there is some more aspects in Finspell that everybody should know. So here we are at our community. Say bye-bye to traditional learning. I present to you a platform for live market practical learning. Finspell community is equipped with live market learning. With the help of pre-market watch list, a student can identify what are the opportunities for tomorrow, and then we have the post-market analysis. We will be discussing all the pre-market targets, entries in this post-market channel. Then student can upload their own watch list. We have live market doubt clearance, daily P&L updates, which will enable some confidence to all the members in our community. Then most of all, we have the discussion. Students go live in voice calls on a daily basis, which will help the newcomers. They can interact with the existing members and create a healthy ecosystem. Well, yes, we have a lot of segments that are forex, commodity markets, and even cryptocurrencies. So it's more like it's a full package. Every segment has active traders who can help each other to learn together. Now, this ecosystem enables every one of you to be a professional trader. Well, now you know what you're missing. Our community is strong. Nobody will feel like stock market is gambling with Finspell. So why wait? Hop in. Hey, don't miss out on our content. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, hit the bell icon. Stay tuned.